So here we are on Chris's 62 Fury. We've been having an ongoing issue, which it's been discussed about its lack of compression, but we go on deaf ears, and I'm not the only one that's told him that it's got very low compression, and that's why it runs like poo most of the time. But it's okay. We worked hard on detailing this engine for him because he didn't want to take it out of the car, and then he's had it for back about a year. But we've driven it and tried to make it better and better and better, and no matter what you do timing wise or anything else, nothing. You can basically turn this engine over with your hands by tensioning the belt and turning the fan. This thing's tired, but we're going to compression test it right now to verify. All right, we have all of our plugs out of the Fury. And we're ready to start our compression test. All right, we're in cylinder number 1. Let's see what we got. Where's the damn key at? There it is. Okay, cylinder number 1. About 125 PSI. Cylinder number 3. About 115 PSI. Cylinder number 5. Hoo-yah! Got 100 and just under 110. We're gonna call that 107. Cylinder number 7. $120 PSI. Cylinder number 2. Three, 4, 5. Let's see what she's got. 120 PSI. Okay, cylinder number 4. Three, 4, 5. All right. $110. Cylinder 6, here we go. All right. Let's see what we got here. 98. 97, 98. Cylinder 8. Do, 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 do. All right. 112 PSI. Alright. Okie dokie. Now we need to figure out why we run like shit.